All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Christopher Moreau. He's the CEO of Algernon Pharmaceuticals. And Chris, great to see you again. How are you?
I'm good. Happy New Year. We haven't talked since the New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year to you as well. And some interesting news out today from the company regarding your chronic cough study. Now, just remind everyone you submit some information, some preclinical information to the US FDA to sort of get some responses back. And that's what's happened here, right?
Right. Before you run a clinical trial in the US, it's always wise to send the US FDA your plans and specifically your protocol, what the study looks like, what are the endpoints, the drug you're using, the background, the preclinical background, and so on. So you send this to the FDA so that they can comment. A good analogy, you're planning to build a building, you're just not going to hire the crew and start building. You're going to draw up your plans. You're going to send the plans to City Hall, the engineering department, all the different aspects will look at the plans and approve it, and then you go forward. So it's very smart and expected, I think, of companies like Algernon to communicate with the FDA when they're planning a clinical study.
Now, for this ifenprotol being used in this chronic cough study, they've actually responded now, and they're looking for a little more data from you. So can you tell me what they're looking for?
Well, they've the issue is that ifenprotol is not yet approved in the U.S., and so the FDA is trying to deal with the information that they would typically have for a drug before they allowed a trial to go forward. They have approved the use of ifenprotol for a COVID trial, which we have run. They have approved us to go into a phase one for small cell lung cancer and pancreatic cancer, and they basically. This is less about approval, but have said, look, this is our feedback for you to proceed into the phase 2B trial. We'd like a standard battery of genotox testing done. So that was some of the specifics. We've estimated it would take about 90 days. And keep in mind, this is a phase 2B study. We're currently running a proof of concept study in Australia for IPF and chronic cough. We'll wait for the data from that study, and then we'll make our decision about moving into a phase 2B in the US.
So, Chris, what do you want investors to know about this feedback? It sounds like it's fairly standard stuff that they're looking for.
I try to tell retail investors, when you get news about a pharma company like Algernon, in your mind, reverse the news if you want to try to get a sense of what it means, or is it good or bad. So if you could imagine us coming back and saying Algernon has received feedback from the FDA that would stop us from moving forward. So the flip side is we've got feedback, and we've referred to it as positive. It's going to be helpful for us as we decide to move into that phase 2 study. Mm-hmm. And I think it's important for investors to know that we're doing the groundwork so that if it's a good business decision for us to do it, we'll be more ready, and instead of having to go and talk to the FDA months from now.
Okay. And lastly, Chris, you mentioned Happy New Year at the beginning. And as we mentioned, this is the first time we're chatting in 2022. So just want to give you an opportunity just to talk about the year ahead. 2021 was just so busy for the company, so much stuff going on. Expect similar in 2022?
We've really been focusing on fundamentals. We have a number of, I'd invite investors to go onto our website. Our corporate presentation, non-confidential, is there. So is there a 2-page corporate summary, gives the pipeline for the year. We've got an exciting schedule with our plans to get DMT into the clinic for stroke. And we're advancing our program for ifenprotol with cancer, small cell and pancreatic, and also, of course, working to deliver the results of the data from our study that's been ongoing in Australia and New Zealand. So there's lots on the plate, and I think it's an exciting year ahead for Algernon shareholders.
All right, we'll leave it there. Chris, thanks very much. Great to talk to you again. We'll talk soon.
Good seeing you, Steve. Take care.
All right, there's Christopher Moreau. He's the CEO of Algernon Pharmaceuticals.